A lot of people, they don't start things because they feel like they have to wait for the perfect time. Conditions have to be perfect in order for them to start. But I'm here to let you know right now that you don't have to be great to start. You just have to start to be great. YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Nick Just Dope, back in another video. NJD Nation was on with it, man. Hey, look, yes sir, man. We're here to talk about perfection. Perfection is it sounds good, but at the same time, it can be a bad thing because it holds a lot of people back from just starting something that they want to do or they have their heart set on doing, and they feel like they're not perfect or they're not where they want to be in order to start it, so they never start it. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people out there with $1 million dreams, $1 billion dreams in their mind, but they stay there, and because of that, they don't come to fruition. You feel me? They don't come out into the external, and it hurts a lot of people because a lot of people, bro, like I said, there's billions, trillions of people in this world, you feel me? And if all of us just acted on what it was that we wanted to do or desired to do, a lot of us would be way further than we are right now. A lot of us would be flourishing in whatever area they want to flourish in, you feel me? And it's just because of that one word, perfection. And I feel like social media is a big, or has a big role to play in that, because we see people on social media living these quote unquote lavish lifestyles or these perfect lifestyles and stuff like that, but in actuality, behind the scenes, like they're grinding, you know what I'm saying? They're going through the biggest struggle that you can possibly imagine, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, social media will make it fit or make it seem like their life is perfect, or make it seem like they had the perfect process or the perfect journey to get to where they are right now, or it make it seem like that they've always been there. You feel me? But in actuality, everybody has to go through a process. Everybody goes through a process. Everybody goes through a storm in order to get to where they are right now. And like I said, social media makes it feel like you have to be perfect in order to do something or to be successful. But in actuality, that's not the case. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody is a work in progress. We're all a work in progress. Every single thing that we want to work toward, or that we want to become, or what we want to have, is a work in process, or work in progress. It's going to be a work in progress. There's no straight path to success. I'm gonna say that again. There's no straight path to success. Everybody's journey is going to have ups and downs, lefts and rights. They're going to veer out to the left, but then they're going to have to get led back to the straight path. They're going to be veering up to the right, and they're going to have to get led back to the path again. You feel me? Like, everybody has their moments, you know. And perfection is just it's a myth. It's a unicorn. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you ask a millionaire, I finished watching this video of this guy interviewing millionaires, and he asked them their process or how they got started, and every single last one of them said that they had to start from zero. They had to start from, you look at what's his name, I think it's Jeff Bezos. He started in his garage, you know what I'm saying? You look at Bill, or is it no? And what's his name? Warren Buffett. You feel me? Like, a lot of people probably think that he lives in this big lavish house, when no, he still lives in the same house that he started his business and stuff in. You know what I'm saying? Like from way back in the day. You know, so like, everybody has their journey everybody has their starting point. One thing about everybody in this world, we all have our starting point, and we all have our goal. You know what I'm saying? Like, we all have that one thing in common. Like, we all have our starting point. You feel me? And if you do come into the world with a silver spoon in your mouth, like, hey, it's just a matter of time before you probably will lose it. And it's only because of how you manage it. And so yeah, man, like nobody has this perfect like journey. It's easy to think about. It's easy to say like, oh, I'm gonna have this perfect journey of whatever success looks like to them. Like I'm gonna have this perfect journey, but when they actually get out on that road, they come to figure out, hey, it's a lot of red lights, it's a lot of stops, it's a lot of roadblocks, it's a lot of potholes. Especially if you live in Atlanta, you know what I'm saying? Like it's a lot of potholes, and you may bust your tire. You feel me? Like it's a lot of inconsistencies on your journey to whatever your success looks like to you. It's a lot of inconveniences. It's a lot of hills. It's a lot of mountains. It's a lot of jagged edges. It's a lot of that. You know, there's never a perfect time to start. The only perfect time to start is right now, whatever it is. If you've been having this idea that you've been wanting to start YouTube, I'm gonna just use YouTube for an example, right? We all have there's a lot of people that come to me and ask me about, hey bro, like how do I start YouTube? What do I need? Do I need a big fancy camera? Do I need the special? Is there some special computer that I need, a laptop that I need? And I always tell them no. I started with my web camera on my laptop. I made my very first video, not the very first video on this channel. No, I had a YouTube channel before this one, and I started it on my laptop, my very first laptop that I bought for a college. And the quality was terrible. The quality was terrible, but hey, guess what? I started it. You feel me? And I really didn't have this big dream of becoming this huge YouTuber like that. I just started making YouTube videos because it was just something fun to do outside of work, you know? And like, I really didn't envision this huge road map of like everything that I want to do as far as like my YouTube career goes. Nah, I just did it. I just started, you know, and then it turned into something that I grew a passion for over time, you know, and then the ideas and the gears started turning on like, okay, how can I make this into something bigger than what it is right now? Then is where like I started to map out this journey. But even when I started mapping things out, it didn't play out the way that I expected to. You feel me? There was no perfect. You can have the perfect plan drawn out. There's a saying that goes, you know, God laughs at our plans, because it's like, okay, you think it's gonna go like that. He look at our plans like, okay, you think it's gonna go like that. All right, bet. I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna let you do you, twin. I'm gonna let you think that, twin. You feel me? And then we soon figure out like, oh, it's not what we thought it was gonna be. And God like, yeah, I got you, but hey, you gonna have to follow my plan that I got for you. My bad. I just had a video finished loading. You feel me? But yeah, bro, like he look at your plans like, all right. I mean, that's cool. They cute. You feel me? Those plans that you got, they cute. You know what I'm saying? But hey, it ain't gonna work out the way that you think it's gonna work out. God isn't gonna give you like he's gonna give you a vision. You feel me? But the way that you think is gonna like the road map or the path that you think is going to take for you to get there is gonna be the path that he has for you. You feel me? And we learned that along our journey, you know. So whatever vision he gives for you or he gives to you, just know that it's never gonna be a perfect time to start. He gave you that vision for a reason. Act on it. Act on it. You have faith in it. He gave you the vision. Have faith. And like I've been saying, faith is an action word, bro. You got to take action in whatever you have faith in and be in active pursuit of it. You feel me? So, yeah, man. There's no perfect journey, bro. There's no perfect. Hey, I'm sorry if you've been hearing all your life that there's a perfect way to success. I'm here to tell you right now, it ain't. You know what I'm saying? And I learned that, like, I'm pretty sure for all my folks out there that have some years up under their belt, You feel me? I'm only 33, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not here talking like I'm an old head or nothing like that. But hey, I've experienced a little thing, or I've experienced a little, you know, in life, and I've come to figure out that there's no perfect journey, there's no perfect timing, there's nothing perfect about life. You just gotta roll with the punches as they come. You feel me? And if you get knocked down, get back up. You know what I'm saying? If you try something and you fail, okay, learn from that previous L that you took, and turn it into a lesson. You know? Yeah. So there's no perfect way to success, right? So scratch perfection out of your like out of your memory bank. You know what I'm saying? Like scratch that and start focusing on progression. Focus on progression, man. Figure out how you can become 1% better every single day. You know, don't be so caught up or focused on being perfect, because it ain't gonna happen. I'm sorry to tell you. You feel me? I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but for real, like, don't be so focused on being perfect. Don't be so focused on perfection. Be focused on progress and the process, and becoming 1% better every single day, to just add on to your confidence along the journey. You know what I'm saying? Because hey, I'm telling you, the small wins, they're gonna give you a little boost of confidence every single time you make those small wins. You know. So yeah, man, that's really all I gotta say. That's really all I gotta say, man. So if you made it this far in the video, comment down below progress, because we're gonna be making progress instead of focusing on perfection. You know, so yeah, man, that's pretty much it. That's all I gotta say. So if you're new, you like what you see, comment down below. Like I said, progress, and like the video, subscribe, and all that good stuff, man, because we're gonna be making a lot more content like this, man. And yeah, but this is only the beginning. Like when God gave me this vision just to get back on this channel and just start speaking again, like, I was worried about being perfect. You feel me? I was worried about being perfect. I was like, dang, like, I'm gonna just be real, like, hey, dang, God, I'm gonna lose subscribers. But God was like, so so, like, roll with the punches, bro. You feel me? Because when you lose something, you gain more, and hey, I'm gonna give you a lot more than what you have right now. So it's like, all right, cool, God, I'm gonna just roll with the punches, man. You feel me? So yeah, man. Yeah, so again, comment down below progress. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So now with that being said, it's your boy Nate Just Dope signing out. Deuces.